Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday morning, and yesterday I when I ended up closing the stream, I ended up coming back and making back $75. I just went back to that basic strategy that I've been successful at, and stopped going all over the place and everywhere. Um, so right now I am only going to concentrate on four stocks: UMAC, UUUU, USAR, and UCAT. Red Cat. Keep saying I got so many U's. I got I got three U socks stocks, and then I got Red Cat right there. So these are the only two screens I'm going to pay attention to. The above screens are they have the Hikinashi to kind of confirm, help me on my trading in my mind that I know I'm going in the right direction. Um, So I'm concentrating on two stocks, and the main ones I'm gonna really truly concentrate on is gonna be UMAC and UUUU. And I am down since I started this week. I'm down $700. Yeah, $700. Yesterday with a little experiment in the morning trying to trade pre-market, kind of discombobulated me, man. So I'm just gonna stay where I feel comfortable at, and I'm gonna stay in these four stocks, and I'm gonna hyper scalp it. Get in, try to make $50 to $100 per scalp, and get out. I'm trying to. To break even is $600 today. To make $100 for the week, it'd be $700. So I'm gonna try my hardest just to concentrate on these four stocks. That's it. So I'm gonna do that. So right now, I would have been down because yesterday I was like $650. I brought it down to 450. I actually got back $200, but some news broke. There's a news broke that the Israeli president, or what is his name, prime minister, said that the war will be over soon, and all the stocks I was in short, they all took off, and I was like, oh no, and then I couldn't get out. I was waiting. I was trying to get out, and I had an opportunity to get out by to lose $30, but I didn't hang on there, and I should have sold when I was down 30, and I ended up being down 114. And I sold it then before it got too crazy because man, the news came out and the whole market just took off. Any little nugget of good news, they just everything reversed. It went up, and I was like, oh no, come on. So I got caught in that one. The one I got caught before was in the Donald Trump when everything started selling off and I was long. Man, I can never catch I can never catch it, man. Damn. So there it is. So I'm going to. So that's my layout, right? I'm going to fix this a little bit this weekend. I'm gonna put the chat back up, and hopefully you guys want to chat. That'd be awesome. But on Monday, but if not, no big deal. I don't have to put it up. Just comment if you think you think I'd be cool to put it up. But if not, if you're just here to watch to see how much money I lose, awesome. I would do the same thing. That's what I do too. When I go look at other people's channels, I was like, how much they lose, how much they win. I get it. That's all I do. I get it. But yeah, so I'm not selling the course. And to go back to my dashboard, right now I am $1,608. Not good, man. So I'm down. I'm down. So I'm trying to make. My goal is to make $700 today, and just to concentrate on these four stocks. So I moved up on stocks. I was looking at Mara and ONDS, but those ones had little tiny moves, and sometimes they just wouldn't move enough. And I think they were highly manipulated. All these they're all highly manipulated. But I moved up a little bit to instead of the $10 stocks, I moved up to the 17.15. So all the U stocks are in $17, and the Red Cat's in $15. And I looked at the daily on all four of these, and all we got 3 days of just beating down. 3 days. Well, UMAC has been down 2 days. 2 days red. UUU has been down 2 days, kind of. But yesterday they tried to fight back at the end there. USAR 2 days red, and Red Cat 2 days horribly red. So and the SPY is down. Everything's down. So I am right now looking just to capitalize on these four stocks. That's it. Four stocks. And I'm trying to see if I can try to make $700. Nice and easy, in and out. That's it. Just concentrate on the strategy. I got the level 2 indicator to help me out. Even though everybody knows that all indicators lag, yes, but it tells me when buyers are coming in and sellers are coming in. It gives me that extra, instead of just being a regular bar, it's buyers are coming in, boom, and sellers are coming in. You know what I mean? It kind of helps me to give me a sense of which direction, and that sound right there is a direction change as well for the overall market. You know what? I should move that out of there, move that sound out of there, and put that on the SPY chart. I'll do that this weekend. I'll move that sound out of these charts, and I'm just moving it onto the SPY. So if the SPY changes direction, it will make that sound. The SPY itself, because certain stocks might go up, some might go down. And it's giving me a change of direction, and I'm thinking that's the overall market, but it's probably not. So when I get in, when it comes to 9:30, I'm going to concentrate. I'm not going to talk too much because I noticed that when I was talking, I review all my videos. I really do. And I noticed that when I'm talking and blabbing, I'm not paying attention to a move. I'm not paying attention to what's going on. I'm missing moves. I should be getting in, concentrating, and getting out and making that money. But I'm over here dilly-dallying and just talking. And so that's what I'm going to do. So 9:30 until I get to 700, I'm going to be serious. I'm going to get very serious. If I can get up to 500, once I get up there, I'll I can relax a little bit. But right now, I'm down 700 to break even. Well, down 600 to break even. I'm down 600 to break even. Yeah. Down 600 to break even. So I'd like 700. I would like 700. $600 to break even. I feel like I'm on the precipice of getting this strategy down. I think about it all the time. It's all I'm consumed with is the strategy. It's all I'm consumed with. If not, I gotta go back to work. May 1st. I gotta drive back to work. Man. I gotta drive. Oh, God. We'll see. But I gotta go back to work May 1st. So if I don't get this down, I'm in trouble. But I think I'll be alright. I think I'm alright. Because my goal today is try to make 700. And if I can do that, if I can get close to 700 or 600, I can get close to that. Monday, it'd be a $500 day concentration, just $500 day. Yeah, that'll be the concentration. Yeah. So that's where I'm at. Oh man, life's not only that I'm trying to well, with all my mistakes and stupid mistakes I'm making, I'm trying to be successful at this, and at the same time, I I got the gun behind my head telling me, you got to go back to work. You got bills. You got bills coming up. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You got to get ready. You got to go back to work. Trading's not working out. I got to go back home and go back to, well, I'm home. I'm going to go back to work and refill the coffers and pay the bills and then come back and try to do it again. You know? And more than likely, I'll be gone for 6 months. Damn, I'm trying to. If I will be gone for 6 months, but I'm trying to do it in October. I'm trying to go back to work in October for 6 months. Be October, November, December, January, February, March. Boom, done. And then I'll be done for 2 years. So I gotta try to be consistently profitable. Besides me trading the small caps, I've been doing it all right this week. I've been doing good. Besides yesterday was my biggest loss because I was messing around with the penny stocks. The penny stocks are so wild. I don't have enough money to be trading those. I don't, because a big loss will wipe me out, and that's how big, and that's how penny stocks are. You take a loss, man. You could be wiped out fast. So I'm not going to concentrate in the penny stocks, not until I build my account. I have to be at 20,000. I'll trade with 10, and then I'll trade the penny stocks with 5. That'd be it. That's the only way I can do it. But right now, I'm not even thinking about that. Right now, I'm just concentrating on what I can do. So you got 2 minutes left. 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 I got 2 minutes left. Two minutes left. Two minutes left. Two minutes left. 1 minute left. We got 1 minute left. All right, here we go. I got half a minute left. Primero Dios. Here we go. I'm looking at UMAC and UUU first. But here we go. Looks like USAR wants to go up. Looks like it's pushing up. Oh, let me see. I'm short. Oh my gosh. I can't do UMAC. They made it hard to borrow. I'm short on USAR. I think that was a bad move. I'm short USAR, 82. 82, 82. The market's pushing down. I'm at 82. Damn it. USAR, UMAC, the market's pushing down maybe? I kind of got in really late there too. I got in at 1782. 1782. We're going to take that 16 bucks for now. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable right now. I can't short UMAC. It went on a short sale restriction. I didn't see that until just now. Son of a... So I can only go long on that one. So I'm gonna let the markets calm down a little bit. Damn. Look at that. Should it maybe possibly stay in UMAC, USAR? Oh, look at that. Yeah, I got scared. I got scared out of that, man. I got scared out of that one. But yeah. All right, let me see. So I'm looking at 4 stocks here. I can't short UMAC. Damn it. Can't short that one because it's been, I mean, I don't know why they put that in a short sale restriction. So Red Cat, everything is kind of Red Cat sideways. Well, everything on the Hikinashi is pointing down. I'm gonna go short on Red Cat for a little bit. I'm gonna go short on Red Cat for a little bit. Oh man, is that thing just bounced back up? I'm at 1496. I'm way down here. 1496. I'm on Red Cat right there. 1496 short. There we go. There we go. Red Cat. 1496 short. Everything seems to be pointing down now for Red Cat. Kinda. Yeah, the market's pushing down. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna take that. $100. $100. Should I kept on hanging on to that? Yeah, I think I should have hanged on to that because the histograms are all pointing down, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. So I'm up $100 for the day. This thing's pointing down. Is it coming back up? Man, it kept going down, huh? Wow. See, I'm not even watching CNBC, so I don't know the bad news. Wow, that thing kept on going down. Still going down, Red Cat. Wow. Even Red Cat's on a short sell restriction, but I can still short it. Oh, look at the SPY. The SPY is still pointing down. I think I should have just stayed in Red Cat. Damn. So everything is man, so what am I gonna do about this one? I think I'm gonna change this since I can't short it. I don't want to be stuck thinking that I can short it. So I'm gonna go Rivian, NVTS. How about NVTS? NVTS. Yeah, I can short that one. That one's fine. NVTS. I could surprise they put that on a short sale restriction, huh? So NVTS looks like it's going long. I'm long on NVTS at 914. Got it kind of pretty high. I got it kind of pretty high. got it kind of pretty high. Did I catch this wrong? Damn it. I see it's pointing up. I got the MACD. Everything's pointing up. My oscillator is the only one that's struggling, but it's basically pointing up. Everything looks good. Maybe blue skies right here. Maybe blue skies. I doubt it, but it says I'm in 1914, 9/14/54. Everything's looking good. I mean, I got maybe, maybe I caught this move too late. This might be too late. I might have caught this move too late. Maybe I caught it too late. Yeah, because the two arrows started on the bottom there. The two arrows started. Oh man, this thing's turning right back down now. Shit. Yeah, I might have caught this too late. Maybe. Let's see. See, in the beginning of the market, it kind of sucks because you don't know which direction what's going to happen. It's just it's too whippy. Oh shit. Yeah, I caught this thing too late. I might have caught this too late. Let's see. We're above the 20. We're above the 200. I got one little tiny. Oh, son of a. I caught it too late. I got in there way too late. I got in there way too late. Idiot. It was already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 candles pushing up. It was already 8 candles pushing up. Idiot. This has 1 million shares float. 1 million shares have been traded on this stock right now. Yeah, I messed up. You gotta be careful with that, man. I got in way too late. There's already 5 freaking candles. Way too late. I haven't seen one. Well, there's two green arrows on the bottom, but there's not one green arrow to show that this thing is bullish. Like I saw, there's two pink arrows. But let me see. Right here, if we get a green arrow, I'll feel a lot more better. But right now, need a green arrow right here. Green arrow, come on. Green arrow. That line there was yesterday's close. It just broke yesterday's close. Here we go. It broke yesterday's close. Everything seems to be wanting to turn up. Let's hope the SPY stays up. Come on, SPY. Keep going. Damn, look how fast that thing can turn right around. Could turn right around. See, there we go. I got a green arrow. Should have caught it way down the bottom there, but I wasn't on that one. I didn't know it was a short sale restriction, so. We got a green arrow. Finally got a green arrow. That tells me that buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in. Oh, I got it. Took two candles. That was just two candles. Every three candles. Oliver Velez says 3 to 5 candles. That's where you take your profits. 3 candles for sure. 5 if look at that. Pushed it right back down. Jeez. Jeez. Jeez, look at that. I had the profits too. I had the profit. I think it was up like $60. Man. Just gotta take. So that was 3. That was 3 green candles. There was more than 3 green candles. I was in that thing. Idiot. 1, 2, 3. Get out. That's it. Idiot. That thing's going way down. What the fuck, man? Idiot. Should have took that freaking. Shorts are stronger than longs. When this thing shorts, it goes longer. It's stronger than longs. I was up $60. Could have turned around and took the 60 on the way down. Stupid son of a. Absolute stupidity, man. I was in that thing for a long time. I was in that thing for 5 candles, like an idiot. Take the fucking profits, man. Fucking stupid. These are the freaking stupid mistakes I'm talking about. These are the stupid mistakes. Could have took the $60 on the way down too. When I saw that green, when that pink arrow. Yeah, this is gonna be tough to get this thing. I'm out of this thing. I'm already discombobulated. I'm freaking frustrated as shit, man. Stupid asshole. I was up $60 on that profit, man. Stupid, and watched it go all the way back down like an idiot. That's how I lose the thousands of dollars. That's how I lose that money. Just watching shit go down and down and down and down and down like an idiot. 3 candles. Get in and out. Let's go. Stupid mother. And now even the MACD is turned around. Yeah, everything's facing down, man. I freaking stupid mother. I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna get out and recalculate everything. You're a stupid son of a. You dumb motherfucker, man. I had it. $60. 3 freaking candles. And the freaking SPY is not helping me. Come on, SPY. Push up! Bears are relentless, man. The bears are relentless. You gotta be careful when you're going long. The bears are right there. The bears are right there, relentless. I gotta break even and get out of this thing. Freaking stupid son of a... I'm so pissed off at myself, man. I'm so pissed off. And right now, it's struggling right there. It's right underneath where I got. And the freaking market's turning around. Fuck. Now I'm short? Oh, you gotta hit this. I only gotta hit this thing once, man. Once. I'm short. Okay, push this mother freaking thing down. Son of a bitch. I'm so pissed off, man. 3 freaking candles, dumbass. That's it. Just 3 candles. That's how you're gonna make it in this freaking trading. There's 3 candles right there. Push this thing down. I already lost $50 on this trade. The commissions have been fair. Motherfucker, stupid son of a... I'm so pissed off at myself. Push down. Let's go. I'm down. I'm short now. Let's go. I'm short now. Let's go. I'm in at 909. That's not how you do it. Right there. I'm in 909. Short. Dumb, man. Stupid mistakes. And I can't sell out fast, man. I gotta be careful. Because I noticed that if I hit the button too fast, it reverses it automatically. So I kind of got lucky on that one. All right, here we go. Push it down. Death candle. Death candle. Let's go. Everything's pushing down now. Why is this pushing up? I'm out. I'm so pissed off at myself, man. I'm so fucking mad at myself. Son of a bitch. Follow the arrows. They tell you which direction the market's going. It's telling you when the buyers are getting in. It's telling you when the sellers are getting in. Stop freaking guessing. Use the freaking arrows. Stupid son of a bitch. Follow the arrows, asshole. Man, I'm swearing more like a freaking Russian sailor. I don't like to swear, man. I don't like to swear, but man, it brought the devil out of me on that play right there. It brought the freaking devil out of me. Because I did stupid freaking mistakes. Everything's pointing down. Red cat. Looks like it's trying to point up. But since everything's flushing down, I'm just going to wait for another arrow. I need an arrow. Yeah. Idiot, man. I gotta... This arrow... Why is red cat pushing up? The market's pushing down, buddy. But it says it's going up. I got a green arrow. I'm going in long now with red cat. Red cat long. $50. Come on, $50. I'm just gonna... $50. Every one of these things, $50. I'm long on red cat. Long. It might be a stupid idea to go long. Everything's pointing. Everything's starting to point. It was starting to point up. Everything was starting to... Yeah. See that? Everything was starting to point up. I even got a green arrow. Everything was pointing up. And the market is still trying to sell off. But I did have a green arrow there. But I'm stupid, man. because I'm below another stupid mistake. I'm below the 20. I'm below the 200. Idiot, stupid son of a. Why did it needs to be in above the 20 in order to go green. It needs to be above the 20 in order to go green long. I'm below the 20. I'm below the VWAP. I'm below the 200. This thing can just keep on going lower and lower and lower. Everything's pointing down, man, and yeah. It looks like it wants to go long. Red Cat wants to go long, but the market is pushing down. Stupid, man. Stupid mistakes, I'm telling you. Stupid mistakes. Yeah, it's just getting pushed down too much. Red Cat looks like Red Cat wants to go long, but the market's being dragged down right now. I am below the 20. I got in on that green arrow. Give me another green arrow to confirm that I'm in the right spot, even though I'm down 20. Look at that. Look at that. The market's just selling off again more. Why are you going long? Why are you going long when the market's selling off over and over and over? Dad, I know why I'm going long. You shouldn't be going long when the market's selling off. The market's selling off and I'm going long like an idiot. Yeah. Yeah. Idiot. See, this is another stupid mistake. I'm below the 20, I'm below the VWAP, I'm below the 200, and I'm trying to go long on Red Cat that's been beaten up so much, and it's on its third red candle going down. Everything's the only thing that's pointing up is the on Red Cat is the Hikinashi. The Hikinashi is trying to push up. Even the MACD's open up, but the market keeps selling off, and I got to be careful with that because Red Cat's trying to. I could tell the people that it's inside Red Cat's trying to go up, but the market just keeps. Look at that, death candles, death candles, death candles on the market. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. The market keeps selling off, and I don't know why. I'm trying to go long. I'm pissed off, man. I totally screwed up that move right there. Totally screwed it up. 1, 2, 3 candles. Get the hell out. There's a freaking a pink arrow. Pink arrow. This thing's going down even further. What's up, man? Pink arrow. Stupid, 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 stupid. I'm holding this too. Stupid, I'm holding this. Stupid, stupid, stupid. The market keeps selling off. Selling off. Selling off. Fucking stupid, man. Yeah, just gotta stay short. That's it. Just gotta stay short. The market's selling off. That's it. I'm in Red Cat short. What an idiot. I thought I was in this one. Yeah. Yep, the market's still selling off. Wow. Wow, unbelievable. I was trying to catch along. Maybe because I'm looking at this thing wrong a little bit too, so. There it is. I'm up $1. I know what I have to do. I just made stupid freaking mistakes, man. I know what I gotta do. I just made stupid mistakes. Yeah, the market's selling off. You can't trust long. You can't even trust being going long when the whole market's selling off. You can't trust it. So I'm below the 20, and I've made $1. I was up 100 at one point. I would have been up 150, but I screwed up. So now I am $5 in commission, and I'm up $2. So I'm actually down $3. So I messed up by jumping in these plays. I gotta wait till these things go above the 20 in order for me to go long. Yeah, such an idiot, man. Such an idiot. Such a freaking idiot. Well, thank God I managed to not lose everything, you know. I'm still breaking even. The day is still salvageable, but I'm so pissed off at myself, man. So mad. What an idiot. Total idiot, man. Look at that. Red Cat's really trying to go up, man. I can tell that for sure. They've been trying to go up all morning here, but the market just keeps selling off, and you can't trust it. So don't go long when you're below the 20. That's it. And I've already fought back just to break even because I was up 100, down 100, break even now. Yeah, I gotta wait because because on the if you look at the bottom where my oscillator is, all those blue signals, that means that we are sold off. The RSI says I'm oversold. Everything's oversold. So I'm not going to go long until anything goes above the 20 and this market tries to reverse. That's the only way. That's the smart way. Yeah. The market, yeah, I can't do it. So, I mean, I can't do it. Yeah, just can't do it. So, to help me out with to help me out with the SPY, I'm gonna put the yeah. I have to. I put the EMAs on the SPY too because everything's still selling off. I should just stay short and just stay short. The Hikinashi's telling me to stay short. Stupid. I know what to do, but I keep screwing up. I keep screwing up. I already know what to do, and I keep screwing up. Yeah. Yeah. So to look at the SPY, everything the 20s below the 200. I should have known that from the beginning. I got my notes here. It says check the 20, check the 200 EMA, narrow state, level 2 indicators, check the MACD. I'm getting rid of the news part because the news sucks. You find out it's price action, buddy. Write that down. Price action, not news. Check today. That's it. There it is. So let me concentrate now. Okay, so we might be going back up over. Okay, I got a green one here. I know. I got a green arrow on NVTS. Hopefully, I mean, it just crossed. It's peeked its head over the 20. It's under the VWAP. Is this a potential to go up now? Can I just catch $50? Right, $50. Get out. 1, 2, 3 candles. So that's one candle. I'm in one candle strong. $50. Damn, that was pretty strong. 60. That was pretty strong. Because in the corner of my eye, I'm not trying to read it, but NVTS got some news. And then I saw something it said revolutionary. I don't want to. Oh man, revolutionary news. So I don't want to look at the news too much there, but it shows that it had news. So the overall market's trying to go green. I caught that candle pretty good. $9.01. I'm right there. I caught that candle pretty good. I got it really low right here. So can this thing go all the way up without the market freaking selling off for 5 seconds? Can you stop selling off for 5 seconds and let the good news run for a little bit? Man, pull the devil out of me. Right there, that sound means that we're having all these, okay. All the Hikinashis are pointing up. All the Hikinashis are pointing up. Can we get a little bull run here? A little bull run? Anything? Anybody? Get your head out of your ass. Bull run? Man, we get a bull run here. Make this up for me. Give me $200. Make this up for me. Come on, NVIDIA. Get the lead out of your ass. NVIDIA and Tesla's the only one carrying this whole goddamn market. Come on, let's go. I got the second arrow on that last one. What's wrong? Why is my charts... Fuck, man, I'm getting fucking bombarded, but... Why is this chart... Come on, man. So, there's 4 candles. Do I get out? Or does this thing rally? Come on, rally, man. The whole market's pissed off that it's been just keep going down and down and down and down. The whole market's mad, man. It really is. But there's shorts there. There are shorts. I mean, is this thing cooked? Is this thing done right here? Or this thing keeps going up? Everybody's pointing up. All the Hikinashis are pointing up. They all just started pointing up, all the Hikinashis. But is that false hope? Yep, it went back down. It went back down. Look at that. It went right back down. Went right back down. Yeah. The Bears are in control today, buddy. The Bears are in control. The Bears are in control. Crazy. So that was 1, 2, 3 candles. I should have took it and got out, right? 1, 2, 3 candles. No, $17. I was up $80 at one point. 1, 2, 3 candles. Yep. The histogram on the MACD. The MACD on the SPY is pointing down. There it goes. The MACD on the SPY is pointing down. Yeah. So I got $17 out of that. I would have been up. I should have took the 50, right? Damn, man, I'm so mad at myself. Is this day still salvageable? It's 10 o'clock. You know, before I used to tell myself that. I used to tell myself before that man, 4 o'clock, that's all damn day. It's very limited market. 4 o'clock is not long enough for you to make the money you want to make, it seems like. Because I'm already a half an hour in and I'm suffering right here. I'm already half an hour in and I'm dying. And I can't make any headway. because I'm making stupid mistakes. Because if you make stupid mistakes, it takes a long time for this to recover. It really does. It takes a long time for this to recover. Yeah, the MACD is still pointing down, brother. And NVTS is trying to go up. Red Cat was trying to go up. UUU and USAR, they're just following the market. They don't give a shit. But yeah, all these ones are trying to. NVTS and Red Cat's trying to go up so bad. So bad, they're trying to go up. Okay. We got a green candle now. Let me see if I can scalp $10, $100. We got a green candle on the SPY. Come on. The green candle short-lived. Short-lived, the green candle. Short-lived, the green candle is trying to get green on the SPY. Damn it, red again. Damn it, red again on the SPY. Out. Man. Yeah, the SPY is killing me, man. It can't go green if it even tried. Let's try it again. I'm in. Long. I'm down $20. Where am I at? I got in when this thing was going down, so I'm mad at what? Just get out of this thing. 1904. I'm right here. 1904, long. I'm long, and the candle's pushing red. Yeah, the market's in total control. I messed up right there too. Again, I messed up. Yeah, everything's turning red again. Everything's turning red again. Fuck me, man. Yeah, the market's selling off like crazy, man. Yeah, the market's selling off. I can't do nothing about this. Yeah, I'm done. Done, man. Yeah, this thing just keeps selling off more and more and more. Yeah, the market just keeps selling off. The overall market keeps selling off, so Nvidia is selling off. Probably they're pushing these market down, man. They're pushing the market down. Yeah, this thing can't catch a break. Yeah, this thing can't catch a break, man. Yeah, this thing keeps going down, down, down. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, man. Yeah, the market just keeps selling off. There's nothing I can do. Everything's going down. I'm trying to go long when the market's going red. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to go long when the market's going red. Yeah. Yeah. There it goes. The market's going down even lower, man. Wow. There it goes. Total sell off. I wonder how much the Dow is down. Yeah, I'm trying to fight the market, man. I'm losing my ass. I'm losing my ass. I'm trying to fight the market, and the market just keeps going down and down and down and down. Yeah, I'm losing my ass. Can't keep fighting it. And every time I get into stock, I'm right there, 14.21. The market just keeps selling off. Maybe they got some bad news. Is why. It's the only thing I can think of. They got bad news, man. Yeah, the market looks bad, man. Looks real bad. Bears are in control, brother. Bears are in control. Yeah, the market's selling off, man. It's pretty strange, like how the power of the market. I mean, the like if someone else is going down, you're gonna get pulled down with it, even if you have good news or not. Doesn't matter. You're gonna get pulled down with the market. That's pretty strange, like how that works. It's like you're gonna get ripped down with the rest of the market. Yeah, it's pretty weird. So the market's trying to turn around. I got two green arrows. I got two green arrows. Do I go? I got two green arrows. Two green arrows. Shit. Two green candles. Two green can. Oh, I did have two green candles. But we're red. So I have to pay attention to that. I'm below the 20. I'm below the 200. I should not even attempt to try to go long when the market's selling off. Even the MACD, everything. Everybody's pointing down. So I got to just stick to my gun and just say that, yeah, everything's short, man. The market is trying to push up a little bit. What do you think? Does that thing just bounce off to 200 and this thing goes back down again? I don't know, buddy. I don't know. I'm in. Let's try this one. I'm in. I'm in long in VTS. In VTS, I'm long. Does the market try to break over the 20? Or does it go red again? It goes back down red like an idiot. Yeah. I'm trying to catch things earlier than it's supposed to be, right? That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to catch things earlier than what it's supposed to be. I gotta change this. Remove, and I'm at 896. 896. You gotta push this way up. And I'm long, so I gotta push this way up. 896. I'm right there, son. Yep. The market goes back down. Does it go back? Does it go up? See that? Look at that. Prematurely taking moves, doing moves when the market's not even. I'm not even above the 20. Okay, so okay, we're just gonna take a break. Take a break. We're gonna take a break. Look at the sell-off on Redcat. Look at the sell-off on Redcat. Going down. Redcat still going down. Wow. I might have jumped in Red Cat way too early, right? 1396. Yep, 1396 right there. And the market looks like it's trying to go back up a little bit. I'm not sure. Yep. Nope. Nope. Go down. Oh, you son of a. There we go. Keep going down, brother. Well, hopefully that was just a bounce off the 20, and now we're going to go back down again more. Yeah, the United States is sending Marines to the Gulf Coast over there, to Iraq, Iran. They're selling. They're sending Marines over there. So that's what everybody knows. That's what's the next move. They're going to send in the Marines. They're going to do ground forces. This war's not over. And no one else wants to join. NATO doesn't even want to join us because they're all woke now, right? They're all woke over there. Well, the people ain't, but the ones that run the show are. There it is. Yeah, it's trying to go up. It's trying to go up, and I'm getting annihilated right now. I'm getting annihilated. There we go. Look at that. Still trying to push up, but the market's going down now. I just gotta hold this now. I'll be down $250. Yep, there it goes. I got a pink arrow. Pink arrow, and I'm getting slaughtered here. It's already 10:30. I've already been in the market an hour in, and I'm down. I've already been in the market for an hour, and this thing's going, and the market's trying to curl back up. It's trying to curl back up. Man, it's trying to go back up, and I'm in the wrong position again. I'm short, but it's trying to go long, right? I'm short, and it's trying to go long. Yeah, I see a green candle. The second strong, the candle's kind of not really that strong, but yeah, I'm getting hammered here, man. See, the market is reacting to what's going on with the war, but there's times when the market does whatever the frick it wants. Doesn't matter if it's a full on hurricane, tornado, blizzard. The world's destroying itself. The market does what it wants. Remember in what 2020, even just the past years, when the world was just doom and gloom and dying, and just the market did really good no matter what. Wall Street was doing way better than Main Street. Wall Street always does better. That doesn't give a crap about the rest of the world, and that's the thing that's weird. It's like he doesn't care about anything. Does what it wants. Yeah, the market does what it wants. It doesn't care about anything else. And it just seems like it's like just does whatever it wants. It doesn't care. Yeah, I could see it's trying to come back. I think it is. Yeah, I can see it. I can see that unless I get one more shot to get out of this thing, man. Look at that. Good job, bud. Good job. Yeah, Red Cat. Red Cat's getting hammered. What the fuck? You guys not even watching it. I got you guys. I got you guys in the wrong program, bud. Damn it. Yeah, the market's starting to turn back. I gotta get out of this. I gotta get out of this. I gotta get out of this. The market's starting to turn around. I can see it on the SPY. Should we go long now? I'm going long like a stupid mother sucker. I'm trying to anticipate the market before the market even does anything. Oh, we got a death candle. We just got another red candle. Oh man, I'm trying to anticipate the market when the market is now. I just got a big red candle. Wow, big red candle, like an idiot. Yeah, I just keep chipping away at these gains, buddy. Just keep chipping away at the gains. Idiot, idiot, idiot. So it looks like they went from drones. Now they're gonna send in troops. Send in the troops. Looks like that's what we're gonna try to do. Is send in the troops. Wow. I can't catch him. I caught it too early, buddy. You caught it too early. You should have just stayed short. Got wrecked again, man. Keep getting wrecked like an idiot. keep getting wrecked. Keep going long when we're going short. I keep going long when we're going short. Keep going long when we're going short, like an idiot. Yeah, keep going long when everything's going short. What do you think? You, buddy. I mean, you. Long. I mean, you, sucker. Come on, sucker. 26, 27. 17, 27. There I am, right there. I mean, you, long, sucker. Come on, sucker. All right. The SPY broke the 20 EMA, and I'm in you long, and I'm down $200. So it's all up to you, you. There's the sign of the market changing direction. There's the sign. The market changing direction. I need some good news here, sucker. Need some good news. Need some good news. Damn. The market's trying to stay above the 20 now. Man, talk about a complete sell-off, huh? Crazy. Yeah, it popped its head over the 20, but the market is it still wants to sell off maybe. Yeah. I'm long. I'm long on this one, so let's see what happens. Yeah, oh wow. What about Nvidia? Is Nvidia and all those other ones gonna try to push this thing up or what? Crazy, man. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Got a second. We got another green candle that just formed above the 20 on the SPY. Does that help me out? Got a second green candle above the SPY. Is it strong? No. It's kind of weak. The bears are in control on this one. Look at that. Wow. The next candle is just turning red. Wow, now it just turned green. Here we go. I'm down $200. Let's see how long this thing can go. Where are the Nvidias? The Nvidias. Where's the Nvidias at? When is the Nvidia gonna go green? When is Tesla gonna push this up? Yeah, everybody. Even the bear that's in the bear that's in there is trying to push this thing down. In that stock, in that particular stock, it's trying to push it down. So even though the candle's trying to go green, trying to stay solid green on the SPY, the bear is working hard, man. The next candle, hopefully it's green. No, it's trying to be green. It's trying to be green. Market alert. What's the market alert? Fed Reserve Governor says inflation concerns have increased with the Strait of Hormuz closed. There it is. More bad news after another, brother. More bad news. So they just popped off bad news on CNBC, and I should take the Oh, we got a green. Well, we had a green arrow. We had a green arrow on UUU, but this candle we're getting a red candle right now on the SPY. Fed uncertainty amid Iran war. Yeah, good news, buddy. So we got a start of another green candle on the SPY. Another green candle on the SPY. Come on, you push up, doggy. Let's go. Man, I'm far away from getting green today, man. Super far away. Super far away. I tell you this, the UUU follows the market really well. We're gonna take that. The UUU follows the market really well. So I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. The commissions aren't that bad, which is really good. I'm really glad because I'd be more livid that the commissions are like this. So I'd be more livid. So I'm down $155. Can't seem to make any headway. I messed up a couple times trying to jump on the market before I'm trying to do a reaction before the market reacts, right? I'm trying to anticipate it. That's what I did. I tried to anticipate the market. Yeah. Economic uncertainty. See that? Economic uncertainty booster. I'm gonna go short on USR UUUU. Short on UUUU. And I'm in at 1728. 1728. I'm short on UUUU. U 1728. I think that's a good short position to be in right there. It's following the market. The market on UUU, the market they follow that. So damn, it popped right back up. Popped right back up. Look at that. It popped right back up. Look at that. Trying to point out. is that? Yeah, I'm short. Wow. So I changed my chart from a 1 minute to a 5 minute, so I can calm down because the 1 minute is too it moves too much, and it's pissing me off. So I need to slow down a little bit. Turn it down. Slow down. Bring it down a notch. Bring it down a notch. So on the 5 minute chart, I even put the 5 minute chart on the SPY too. So So SMCI down 20%. Wow. They're down to $22. That's crazy. $22. They lost 20% of their market? Wow, that's crazy. So, yeah, I'm down $57 on this play. It's trying to stay up, and the market's trying to stay up too, so. But as you can see, the 20 is below the 200. On all these stocks, the 20 is below the 200. So this is a down day. So I'm just going to hang on to this short right here. Yeah. I'm going to hang on to it short, and that's it. The market's trying to come back. And I'm losing my ass on this. Yeah. Yeah. The market is. I kind of hate this pattern with the market like this. I hate this pattern. I like it when it's like this, like this, like this. I can just a lot more easier. But I hate the way the pattern is like this. This pattern, I can't seem to manage. Can't seem to manage the pattern. It's so hard. Yeah, it's hard to manage this pattern. So it's already 10:47. See the day flies, man. The day freaking flies. I've been sitting here at 9:30, 10:30. Shit, an hour and a half, and it feels like it's flying. The market. Man, next thing you know, it's going to be 2 o'clock, and next thing you know, it'll be 4 o'clock, and I haven't made any headway. Got to wait for that one good play, right? That one great play. Ah, the market was trying to turn around. I had an opportunity to get out. I had an opportunity. I had an opportunity to get out. Oh, I messed up. I could have got out at $10, and the market's trying to turn around. But is it really trying to turn around? Yeah, I'm just gonna stay short, man. It's gonna stay short. But I need to reposition myself. So let me get enough short here, then I can get out and then reposition myself back up top again because. Yeah, the market's trying to turn around, and I'm trying to get the hell out of this thing. Doom and gloom, buddy. Doom and gloom. Man, when the market was fast. There we go. Damn. I had a position to get out to reposition myself. Wow. NVTS is really following the SPY, and US and the UUU is supposed to be following the SPY, and it did not. It did not when it pushed down hard like that. It didn't follow it. It was supposed to follow it, but it didn't. So, jeez. Yeah, it was supposed to follow it, but it didn't. Wow, it went right back up. It went right back up. Wow, and the SPY is pushing down, and this thing went right back up. Wow, the SPY is pushing way down now, and this thing is trying to fight for its life to stay up. Wow. The SPY did an all-time, well, not all-time, but it cracked today's low. It cracked it, today's low. And it bounced right off of today's low. Not no more. It's still going down now. Yeah, it's making new lows today, new lows. And you supposed to be following it. What's going on here, buddy? You're supposed to be following this. Yeah, it's trying not to follow it. That's crazy. I got out. I got out because, and I lost $3 on that. I got out. And as soon as I got out, there it goes. Yeah. Now it's going down since I got out. Hmm. Damn it. Chasing it, chasing it, chasing it, chasing it. Why are you chasing it, stupid? Why are you chasing this? Stupid, man. I chased this. I chased this too much. Damn it! Damn it! Oh, I chased it. I chased it like a stupid idiot. I bet you everybody did too. I bet you everybody chased this, man. Everybody did. Damn it! I'm way the hell up there. I'm way the hell up there. I'm way the hell up there. I'm way the hell up there, man, like an idiot. I'm way the hell up there. Yeah, I screwed up. That's it. That's it. The thing's cooked. I got him way too high. I'm way the hell up there. This thing can go all the way back down, and that's it. Yep, the bears are coming in strong too right now. Yeah, the bears are going to pull us all the way back down to zero. Because I got in right there too freaking high, man. Got in way too high. Every single bear is on this right now. Every single bear is in this. Every single bear is in this one right here. Yeah. I'm down $500 on this play. Yeah, this thing might be cooked. That's it. I've already got, even the background already turned red. The background turned red. Oh, fuck. There it is. They might sell me out. The broker might sell me out right here. I'm done. Done. The broker's going to sell me out. Fuck. There it is. Yeah, I fucked up, man. Lost it all. Fuck. Yeah. That's it. I'm down 1,000. That's it. The broker's going to sell me out right here. That's it. Done. I'm out. Yeah. That's it. Every single shorter's in this thing. was down to big time up there. There it is. The account's wrecked. It's over. Done. Yep, done. I tried. I risked it all, man. I did. I truly risked it all. I risked it all. I truly did. And the Bears are strong right now. The Bears are going to rip this thing down to zero. Yeah. I tried to, man. I tried to push this thing back up. I tried to, because I was getting killed on those other stocks, that I tried to take a long shot here. That's what I tried to do, a long shot, and I got smoked. I truly got smoked right here. Every freaking play I was trying on those other stocks, it just didn't work out. I was going against the whole market was shorting. I was going against the whole thing. Yeah. Just get it over with, man. Get me out of this thing. Shit. I don't want to see no money. I don't want to come back here Monday and start trading again. Yeah, they're gonna try to. Does this thing go all the way back up? No way. Not even in a true breath hell, man. No way. No way, man. The Bears have unlimited shares to short this thing. Unlimited. The Bulls only have a few dollars. The Bulls don't have enough money. It's not about the money. Is that they can't make up shares to go long. They can only make up shares to go short. And that's the strange part about this thing. They can only make up shares to go short. They can't make up shares to go long. And that's weird how that works. Yeah. Stacked against you, man. Totally stacked against you. So how high does this thing go? That's it? Is this thing done or what? So hurry the hell up, man. I already got cooked. I got totally cooked. There's people stuck up there with me. There's people stuck up there just like me. We're all stuck. We're stuck at 724. Yeah, we are. Look at the Bears. Unlimited shorting. Unlimited shares to short. Unlimited, man. Unlimited shares to short. Unbelievable. The Bulls don't have a chance. They have a chance in the beginning. You catch it in the beginning, then that's it. That's the only way you have a chance. In the beginning. But the Bears, unlimited shares to short. Unlimited. And there's nothing you can do about it. And then the market's rigged against you for that part too, so. So I'm down 900. That's it. I'm gonna be down the whole thing. It's gonna get pulled down, and that's it. Unless this thing doesn't recover, that's it. This thing's cooked. This thing is truly cooked. So, and I'm way the hell up there at 724. Damn, I'm way the hell up there. At 724. Yeah, everybody's sold out, man. The only people that are in this thing are shorts. Shorts are shorting the hell out of this thing, man. Yeah, the shorts are shorting the hell out of this thing right now. Yeah, this thing's done. Fucked up, man. Totally messed up. Totally messed up. So, this might be the end today. This might be the last day that I trade. I gotta get ready to go back to work. If this thing gets pulled down and I'm done and that's it, I'm done. Look at, they're gonna pull this thing down and this thing's over with. This thing's literally over with. This is it right here. One last fight to the end for the Bulls. If they can't do this, this thing's done. Look at that. Look at that. Unlimited shares to short. Unlimited shares. Unlimited shares to short. Yep. Unlimited shares to short right here. The Bulls have no chance right now. They're on the backside. That's it. Unless this thing pops up, man. No way. Half of my account's almost gone. Almost the whole thing. So the Bulls need to do something here. They got 30 seconds to try to get another candle to go up before the Bears. See, the Bears know the clock. They know the clock. They know that they have to slam this thing down before the next minute starts, because that means that the Bulls are going to be up. They might have a leg up on the next candle. You see that? 2 seconds. Ooh, there it is. Yeah, they almost had it. That's it. The Bears. Yeah. See, the Bears know about the clock, and they know that they have to get that one last push in just before the next minute starts. So it will show that it's on a downturn. So it gives them a better point for the next candle. It gives them more confidence for the next candle if they can give it that one last push. Yeah, look at that. Unlimited shares to short. Unlimited shares to short. Yeah. The Bulls can only do this for so long. They're not gonna be able to try to hold this up for so long. They're gonna give up. They're gonna give up soon, and then the Bears are gonna just rip this thing down. Yeah. The Bulls better do something right here, or this is done. Because once they pull this under the 20, that's it. They did pull it up, but the Bulls managed to pull it back over the 20. But I'm telling you right here, man, this is it. This is it right here. I got vertigo. I'm getting ready to shut down everything, cover everything in plastic, pull all the plugs, shut it down, get my house ready, and then I gotta go back to work. So it's a done deal. Unsuccessful. I was unsuccessful at this. I thought I had it. I really did. So hurry up, man. Get this over with. Get this over with. Get this over with. Is this a third leg up? I doubt it, man. Third leg up saves my ass? Third leg up saves my ass? Yeah, right. Come on. We might be onto something here. See that? The Bull pushed that one last push. They pushed that one last push. What the hell? What the hell's going on here? Just get me out. That's all I ask. Man, I'm already packing my bags to go back to work. I'm already packing it. I'm packing the bags. The Bulls are gonna try to do another third leg up. Third leg? No way. Are the Bulls gonna try to do another third leg? What's the next candle? 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Next candle is 15 seconds. Look at this. What's going on here? 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. What the hell's going on here? 3, 2, 1. We got another candle right there. Third leg up. I don't go back to work so fast. I gotta just wait a minute. Third leg up. Can it break 725? I'm in there at 724, but I'm in there at 7.24297, whatever. Can this thing break 7? I'll just get out, break even, get the hell out of this motherfucker, man. Wow, look at that. Look at the Bears, man. The Bears, dang. Look at the Bears, all coming in all at once. I'm telling you, man, the Bears are relentless, doggy. Relentless, the Bears. What time is it? It's 11:30. These guys are about ready to go to lunch. It's 11:30. Are the Bulls going to push this up for a third leg? None of the Bears have anything. Look at the Bears, man. The Bears push. Oh, shit. Look at this. See, it's rare. The Bulls don't know what to do up here. The Bears do. The Bears run these shows, man. They know what to do up here. The Bulls don't know what to do up here. They don't know how to work the. They don't know how to work it, man. They really don't. The Bears do. The Bears are always at this position. 30 seconds left in this minute. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Does the Bulls push this up higher? Man, the Bears, unlimited shares, dude. Unlimited shares. Unbelievable. I think I remember the last time I was in the stock and I was short, and this thing kept going up higher, and then it just went poof, and then got sold out. Right here, last chance, right here to pull it back down. Where's the Bulls? See right there, this little pause, because that's the Bears just reshuffling, getting all their shares again. The Bulls better do something right here. That's it. This thing's cooked. Look at that. See that? The Bulls better do something on this one. Yeah, the Bears are trying to. The Bears are ripping this down, man. I'm down $653. Is this going to be a third leg up? Is this the third leg to get me out of this thing? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Am I going to get out of this thing? Am I going to get saved? Come on, Bulls. Are you kidding me? Look at the Bears, man. Look at the Bears. They're attacking this thing. Come on, Bulls. This is your last chance right here. The Bears know what to do up here. They know what to do. They know how to push this thing out of the way. They're just overwhelmingly naked shorting like you wouldn't believe naked shorting. Look at that. They got to turn that candle right into, wow. Come on, do what it did the last time on that last stock. That PRSO. Do a PRSO. That went boom. Do a PRSO on these freaking Bears. Do the PRSO. Bam! Straight up. Like 20-cent candle, straight up. Just solid 20-cent candle, straight up. Do what you guys did to the PRSO. PRSO. Do a PRSO right here on these Bears. Do a PRSO on these Bears. They can do a PRSO on the bit right here, man, that'd be crazy. PRSO right here, man. Unbelievable. Third leg up, fourth leg up is the charm. Here we go. Fourth leg up is a charm. Come on, man. Do the PRSO. What time is it? Okay, that's why they're pushing up right now. They want to go this thing higher, higher, higher. There you go. See that? The next minute. They pushed it up on the next minute. There you go. There we go. Save my ass. Oh, that was crazy. I thought I was going to get saved right there on that last candle. Oh, man. I thought I was going to get saved, doggy. On that last candle. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to get saved. I'm going to get saved here. Am I going to get saved here? Wow, the Bears are strong. The Bears are strong, big dog. Look at that. There's so many shares churning, man. How fast this thing is. We're at 50,000 float. I mean, the shares that this thing churned out was 50,000. Man, I was down to like $600 left. I was down to $600. Unbelievable. I was down to $600. There's so many shares churning right here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow, let's see how that thing froze like that. Oh, the bear's trying. I had it, doggy. I had it. Come on. I wonder how long they're gonna push this up for. Crazy. I don't even know, man. The Bears are trying to come in. The Bears are strong. The Bears are doing some illegal tricks right here, man. Illegal tricks right here. Yeah, they're trying to do something illegal here. They're trying to push this thing. Illegal shares, man. Illegal shorting right here. Come on, man. Push it up. Get me out of this thing. I'm up $144. Oh, the next one. See, whoever was in control of that next candle. Wow, the Bears are just really hammering it. Look at the Bears hammering it right now. They're hammering it big time. Oh, look at the Bears, man. The Bears are hammering it. Come on, you almost had me up there. Let's go. Oh, the Bears are right there. Bears are flooding it right now with shares. Flooding it. Look at that. That's all Bear. That's all Bears right there. Flooding it. Wow, that was all bear meat. It was all bears flooding it, man. What's on the grill tonight? Bear meat! Look at that. Wow. I got my hand on this sell button as soon as this thing gets me out of here, hopefully. Get me out of here, please. Please get me out of this. The 20 is still pointing up. 20 seconds for the next candle. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Next candle. 10 seconds. Next candle. Let's see if the bulls can make this thing, keep this thing green. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Kinda green. See, right there, it stops for a second because there's so much traffic. I mean, who could put all these orders in, right? Who in the hell could put all these orders in? How long is this thing gonna go? It's 11:30, man. This thing started running around 10. So, does this thing go up even higher to like $8, $9? I don't know. The Bears are still slamming this thing. The Bears won't stop slamming this thing. They won't stop. They're just going to keep pushing this thing. The Bulls need to just keep pushing this thing over to the next candle. Just keep stepping this up next candle. Look at that. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you see how the Bears pushed that up? Oh, man. 3, 2, 1. The Bears pushed that up. Like, see, there's someone reading that. And they all hit the same button, like, bam, sell, 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 sell. Oh, come on. Look at now, all the bears jumped in. Once that first push down, all the bears jumped in. That's it. That's it. My account's done now. Man, I was freaking like $50 away of getting out. $50. I was like $50 away from getting out, man. I was like $50. Look at the Bears are not. Bears do not want this to go back over the 20. They don't want this to go back over the 20. This goes back over the 20. The Bears are gonna be pissed. The Bulls are gonna have another little chance if this goes back over the 20. 2 seconds left. Next candle right here. If the Bulls can get this back over the 20, the Bears are gonna be. I mean, the Bulls might have a chance again. If the Bears push this red, that's it. This is it right here. This is it. This is cooked. Right? Oh, it went back red. It's red. And it's done. Yep. That's it. Done. Maybe done. Maybe done right here. This candle's red. That's it. I'm down 800. Man, the Bulls had a chance up there. They had a freaking chance, man. They had a freaking chance to break this over $7.24. So I can get the hell out, but now I can't, man. Right now, the Bulls thinking, that's it. They might just call it right here. Yeah, that's it. The Bears are going to come in stronger now. The Bulls better do something right here. This is the last chance. I mean, you're below the 20. You want to get it above the 20. It's the only way. Because everybody would start walking away. RPGL. See, that's the next stock. That's why. That's why. RPGL. Oh, that one was moving. But, yeah, if there's attention somewhere else, that's it. A lot of these Bulls will get out. If there's attention somewhere else. And then the only ones that we in here would just be Bears. Yeah. RPGL is moving. Yeah, it's moving. Well, it's below $1, so I think I might get a little lucky here because it's below $1. Right here, you gotta break the 20. You gotta break the 20 to make this a chance. Break the 20. Gotta break the 20 here. It's the only way. Look at that. The Bears are strong in this thing. If the Bulls can break the 20 here, we might have a chance. Might have a chance. Last chance. Push this up. Look at that. Trying to push this up. We're peaking. Oh my God, no way. It went over the 20. Does that help me? I don't know, man. Still down 500. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. I don't think the Bulls can keep this thing up unless they push it up higher right here. Unless you push it up higher. There you go. You got 5 seconds left on this candle. Come on, Bulls, keep pushing. 5 seconds left. There you go. You got to keep it up there. Oh, look at that. The Bears, man. The Bears are too strong. They got it back over to 20. Let's see if they can keep it up there. They got it back over to 20. I should zoom in a little bit, right? To get a little better picture. There it is. You're back over to 20 and do something about it now. This thing goes to $9. God, man, that would really set me up, wouldn't it? This thing went to $9. Is this an all-day runner? Allington stock surges over 11%. Why is this thing moving? Oh, it's a natural gas thing. It's a natural gas thing. Okay. That's why. It's a natural gas play. Yeah, this thing hasn't had news. Yeah, this thing hasn't had news in a while, man. Yeah, that's a natural gas play. So the market's surging. How did that? Oh man, the SPY is. Okay, so this is not a regular. This is not like I thought this was like a biopharma stock. Not even close. This is a regular. This is an energy stock. Yeah, I kind of got in this thing prematurely, so I think these guys are thinking about it. Like, wait a minute, wait a minute. This is not a biotech. This is not no great breaking news. Any other stock thing kind of thing. This is a regular. So this is natural gas. It's a natural gas stock. It has something to do with natural gas. So okay, I see what's going on here. We're at 54 million, and this does evolve around the SPY. It looks like. All right, I kind of got my okay, but there's still it's a penny, it's a small cap, super small cap, and I see what's going on here. Okay, false alarm, folks. False alarm. You all go back to bed now. False alarm. Sorry about that. Okay, so this thing was at $4 this morning. It's been hovering around $4, but it's a natural gas kind of play. So does this thing just keep inching up little by little by little by little all damn day? Because it's not a regular. It's not no breaking news like it discovered like it discovered something, right? It's not like that. It's gonna just keep pumping and pumping and pumping. Maybe this thing does go to $10. I don't know. I just kind of I didn't read the news until now. I was just going by the price action because I remember I told you I'm all pissed off about news. Don't follow news, right? Shit. So I was gonna keep my eye on this thing, and the market's going back down. So maybe this thing. Look at that. Oh wow. What the hell? Decline. Decline. So I'm gonna hang on to this thing. It pushed it up. Wow. If this thing breaks if this thing breaks the high here, 724, then this thing might even go to 910. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, this thing just might do that. Please be a PRSO, PRSO, please, 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 and just go BAM. Be a PRSO. Remember PRSO a couple weeks ago? I think it was last week, week before. I think it was like 2 weeks ago I did that. I got caught in that and I was short. It was like sideways for all damn day. And then it went BAM! Yeah, I remember that going. I got caught in that one. So I'm not too much worried now, right? You know what I mean? Not too much worried. I'm kind of just, this thing might go to $10 today just because what's going on with the world. And yeah, the world's crumbling, the military. So even the bears were fighting this thing? Okay. Even the bears are fighting this thing. But the bulls on this one, man, what does Anna do? Is it Alania Inc? Alania Inc. They got something to do with the natural gas, so they're into natural gas. So you do got the bears in here, but this is something different. This is not. Yeah, this is something different. This is not your average penny stock where it comes out with hot news about something invented or cancer. Yeah, it's not that one. It's just a different play here. And I think the bears might have to rethink this because this thing might go to $10. It's 11:42. Yeah. So by 4 o'clock, this thing could be at $10 by 4 o'clock. Right now, it's at $7. If this thing starts pushing up, yeah. If this thing could just keep pushing up, because look at the 20. The 20 just keeps. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm not worried no more. I was really tense, man. I was tense. I got so look at that. See? Yeah, so tense. This thing's gonna do a leg up right here. It's gonna do a leg up. Yeah, this thing might be an all damn day thing. I caught it at what time did I catch this at? I caught this at around 11 o'clock. I caught this around 11. Yeah, I caught this around 11. Yeah, I'm not worried no more. This is a natural gas play. This is not a. It's not a biotech. This is not a something crazy. The Bears better be careful here. Yeah, the Bears better be careful here because I think that even on the I think I read it a couple days ago that they stopped natural gas production over there in the Saudi Arabia area, over there by Iraq, Iran. I heard that Qatar, something like that. Qatar stopped. They shut off all the natural gas. That's what I heard. So yeah. So I'm down $200, but I'm not sweating it no more because this is this is an energy play. Yeah, this is gonna keep going up. Yeah, there it goes. If it breaks this right here, this thing's gone. This thing might go to $10. The bears are trying to hold this down. There's the ceiling right there. That's the ceiling right there. If this thing legs up, it just might leg up. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball on this one. But they're gonna look at it. They're gonna go. Yep, they pushed it up. Yeah, this thing might be an all day thing kind of thing. I'm in the green now. I'm in the green now. I'm not even sweating this no more. Just by the way this thing is right there. Yeah, I'm not even sweating it. This thing's gonna keep going. Hopefully this thing goes to $10. $10? Yeah, I'm not sweating this no more. No. I need $700. Yeah, this thing looks primed to go take off, man. This thing looks really primed. Yeah, this thing looks primed. I wonder how high they're gonna want this thing to go. $10? I don't know how long. Maybe they want this thing to go to $10. At least 10, right? That'd be nice. Should I took that profit? Should I took the profit, huh? And then get back in at a lower price? Yeah, I'll do that next time. As soon as this thing pops up, I'm gonna take the profit and then get back in at a lower price. I kind of messed up there, right? Of course you did. You're not thinking. You're talking too much. Crazy. It's right there. It's right there where I'm at. Right there. I think I messed up. I should have. Let this pull back. Fuck. Idiot. I chased it. Should have stayed in there. Stupid. Stupid. Now I got a horrible. I'm way up here at 750. Stupid. Yeah, bad play right there. Sorry, folks. Sorry, folks. Oh, I chased it, man. I chased it like an idiot. Chased it. Should have just stayed down there. Oh, come on, man. Here we go. Push this up, way up. Damn it. Should have got it right back down there. Damn it. I messed up, man. I should have just stayed down there, right? Moron! Bad timing, man. I took profits when I should have waited, and oh, idiot. Oh, shit. This thing's cooked. I'm way the hell up there again, like an idiot. Idiot, man. Idiot. I got out the bad timing. I got out all messed up, man. Bad, stupid timing. 12 o'clock. Gotta bring this back over to 20 again, hopefully. Yep. Hopefully, back over to 20. I got a long way to go, man. I'm digging myself a hole back here. Should have took the profit, got back in, ride it up. Ugh. Moron. Bad timing, man. I did the whole freaking timing thing all wrong. Yeah, I did this whole thing wrong, man. I should have took the profits, wait for the dip, get back in, ride it up. I did it all wrong. Did it all wrong. I still made profit, but I did it wrong. And I think this thing might be cooked. No, don't please tell me it's not cooked. Please tell me it's not cooked. Give me a sec, yeah? Oh no, not good, man. I had it. You're an idiot. I had it, man. Yeah, I think the Bulls might have said that's it, man. Yeah, the Bears are in. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Cooked. Oh yeah, see all that? That's a rush of the Bears right there, man. That's the rush of the Bears. Boom, boom, come back up, boom, back up, boom, back up, boom, back up. Mm, I don't know. Probably no coming back from that. Because, like I said, the Bears got unlimited shares. Yeah, they got unlimited shares, man. This thing might be cooked, so I'm way the hell up there now, too. I'm down big time. Idiot. If you add that to that, I'm only that? What's that going on here? This thing pushing back up? No way. Come on. Fourth leg up? You gotta be shitting me. A fourth leg up? No. I gotta get over that 20. Gotta get over that 20. The only way. Fourth leg up? What the hell is that? The Bears are gonna fight their hardest to keep it on below that 20, man. You got 30 seconds to get this over to 20. You need a big push right here. Big push right here. 20 seconds. Big push. 10 seconds. Get this back over to 20 or you're done. You're cooked so. Cooked so. 5 seconds. The Bears. Look at the Bears right here. They got swamped it right here. Bears. See that? The Bears, they knew it. They got a few seconds left on that last candle. They gotta force that thing down. Here we go. Come on, Bulls. Get it right back over that 20. You got a long way to go too, man. A minute's forever. A minute's a long time. Yeah, this looks like it might be it right here. Uh-oh, that's it. I don't know, right here. Is this it? Is this the last hurrah? Or does this thing make another attempt and go all the way up? So around 3:30 in the afternoon, this thing is way up there at $10. That'd be nice. That'd be really nice. By 3:30, 3:30, 4 o'clock, this thing's at $10. Is this going to be an all day thing for this one here? It might be, man. It might be an all day runner. I hope so. Jeez. Because right now we're at the bottom. And the Bears are going to try to keep pulling this thing down. If the Bulls don't try to do another leg up, that's it. Because you can start to see it's turning over. We'll see. I'm down big time anyway, so I'm in the, what do you say? I'm committed. I'm committed to this. Give me a second, yeah? Looks like I got smoked. Today is do or die, folks. Do or die. Like Jared said in Pawn Star. Remember Pawn Stars? Remember Jared? He goes, when he opens up the safe, he goes, this is do or die. Maybe this thing does go all day. It's 12:15. This might be an all day thing. Never know. Hopefully it is. If the Bulls could keep pushing it up, look at that. bears that jumped in, they gotta cover, especially the retail bears. They gotta cover. They're getting their ass kicked right here. Mm-hmm. This could be an all day thing. Hopefully it is. Gonna try to get back over that 20. Never know. Never know what's gonna happen. Gonna try to get back over that 20. The Bears are gonna try their hardest, man. Uh-oh. Yep. Looks like that's what's gonna happen. This might be an all day thing, kind of. See, when you trade these things for a while and they start in the morning like that, and they just keep going all day. Yeah, this is like an all day kind of things. This thing will be done around 3:30. People are gonna be in this thing all day, trying to fight this thing. The Bears and the Bulls right here, man. The war. Mm-hmm. Look at that. The Bears and the Bulls going head to head, folks. Head to head. So I put them side by side so you can see, is it going to be an all day kind of thing? Or is this thing cooked? So good. This going to be a side by side. Is this thing cooked? I don't know. Or is this thing going to be like start stair stepping its way all the way back down? I don't know. It might be. The Bears just might do that. They might try to just keep stair stepping this thing all the way down. I don't know. I messed up. Mm-hmm. Not good. Not good right there. Not good. It's trying to hang in there, I'll tell you that. But are the Bears, you know what I mean? You watch it. Look at the last 10 candles, last 20 candles. The Bears are walking it down. Did the Bulls give up? Or are the Bulls consolidating? I don't know. Or they're about to give up. Because it might be done. Because right now, there's people going to lunch or they're at lunch over there. Oh, it's lunchtime. But I tell you, the Bears don't sleep. They're 24/7. The Bears, 24/7. And right now, it's if this thing goes down below, I think that'd be it right here. This is the line right there. They brought it this far down, and if the Bulls can't keep it up from there, that's it. Yeah, there it is. There's the line. Done. That's it. Yep, this thing's cooked. Yeah, cooked, 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 cooked. That's it. I'm cooked. It's cooked. I'm down to 600 bucks, $500. It's gonna sell me out, man, right here. It's gonna sell me out. It's gonna sell me out. There's 2/3 of my account. Was it? If 80%, if this count gets, is that 80%? I only started with 50. I seen stranger things, man. I truly have seen stranger things where this thing dipped all the way back down, then it curled all the way back up. It went all the way back up. I've seen stranger things. I mean, this is getting this is getting traded right now as if it was like a biopharma catalyst news kind of stuff. It's getting traded like that now. It's being traded as if it was like a biopharma stock or just a hot penny stock. That's how it's being traded right now. It's not being traded like a regular stock, a stock that no one gives a shit about. So I was in the stock yesterday. I want to look at the see how it was. Let me see. Just for example, it's like if I never even let's see. Okay, take the screenshots. I was in what's the TWO? That's the one I was in. TWO. TWO. Yep, like I said. Wait a minute. TWO. That's what I was in. Oh wow, TWO sold off. How far down did it sell? Wait a minute. I was in that stock yesterday. What the? Is that right? What the? It didn't even pull up. TWO. That's the one I'm looking at. Where did it go? Nowhere. It went sideways. Wow. So it really didn't sell off like I thought it was going to sell off. Is this thing going to keep stair stepping down, or is it going to try to make a move back up? Because I don't know. Because the Bears are in control right now, and they're gonna try to keep forcing this thing down. They got, remember, unlimited shares, and the Bulls might be done with this. The Bulls just might be done. But if you pull back the chart and you step way back and look at the whole day's picture, it looks like maybe the Bulls might come back and run it up again. It might. I mean, just the way it's looking from afar, it might. But they have to do something now to get back in contention, because from afar it looks like it went like this, and then I mean, can it go up? I mean, you got another 3.5 hours to go, man. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It's getting traded like a penny stock. It wasn't for a minute there. It looked like it was getting traded like a regular stock, but then the Bears. Oh, what's this? They break this 20. I don't know. I mean, it might go another leg up. Yeah, I would have just. Yeah, this thing went all the way up. Yeah. What about Duluth? That was another one I traded. Duluth. How far did that one go? Okay. It went high, yeah. It went as high as, well, it sold off a little bit, but it went as high as $3.34. And I got in at $2.65 at one point. Yeah. So right here, this is where it's at right here. If the Bulls can push this up and get it back over to 20 and start and form another candle above the 20, maybe this thing might have another leg up. And I might not be getting ready to shut it down. I don't know. Look at it, another candle. Anybody got a cover? Any of these bears are gonna cover? Or maybe that was the covering? I don't even know. I mean, from the other chart back there, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like it doesn't look strong. Not like the way it was earlier today. I mean, it's got to push up past $7.20 in order for people to get interested in it again. I think. I don't know. The Bears just might pull this right back down. You got 10 seconds on this candle. 10 seconds starting now. What are you going to do? 10 seconds. The Bears ain't dumb, man. The Bears are on this. The Bears are going to push it down right here. 10 seconds. 1 second. Oh, ooh. Yep, there it goes. Maybe. Yeah, the Bears ain't stupid, man. They're gonna keep rocking that. What was the other one I traded? Let me see. Rivian. Let's see how Rivian looks today. Rivian. Wow, sold off more. Yep, Rivian sold off even more. Wow. Started pushing back up near the end yesterday, and then boom. 16 to 15. $1 more down the drain. Are things slowing down? Are these just, see, you can see the volume, but that's just bear volume. The Bears are pulsing this, like keep pulsing it with short, over and over and over. They have unlimited shares to keep shorting it, shorting. Yeah. That's all that volume right there is all Bears just shorting. Back down below the 20. That's it. I thought that would be the push. Maybe that was just covering. That could have been just covering. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, Rivian sold off even more, man. Man, they had good news yesterday and they double sold off. They sold off yesterday and they sold off again. People hate that company, man. They hate that. They probably diluted. Well, they probably diluted it. Let's see. Oh, look at that sell off on that. Oh man, there it goes. See that? They brought it down even more. I mean, I'm hoping this thing to curl up, man. But if they keep pulling this thing down, that's it. It's done. Bears are in control now. I'm almost done. This thing's almost done. I'm about ready to sell me out. Once this thing sells out, that's it. I'm done trading. I'm done trading until the end of the year because I don't have any more money, and I got bills, brother. I got bills to pay the bills, so I got skills to pay the bill. No, I got no skills this time, man. I got wrecked. Yeah, no good, no good, man. So if this thing doesn't curl back up and try another leg, I'm out. I'm done. I'm cooked. Cooked so, cooked so, cooked so. So I don't know. Does this thing look like it's trying to curl back up, or is this thing just steadily walking it? Are they just steadily walking this thing down? They might be just walking this thing down. Yeah. The bowls look like they're not into it no more. It doesn't look like there's any bowls left because from this candle right here, this candle right here told me that they sold out. They sold this candle right here. Yeah. This candle here. This is not a bear candle. This is a bull selling out, and the bears took note of that. And ever since then, the bears are like push, 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 push. Yeah, this is not a bear candle. This is a bull selling. Because the bull's been in this thing since $4 probably. Yeah, $4 to $7. Yeah, they're done. They took their profits on that. They took the profits. Yeah, that's pretty much what it was. So right here, I believe right here, this is it. If this thing gets pushed down from here, that's it. I think that would be it. And they're pushing it. Yeah. Remember, they got unlimited shares to short. Unlimited. That's why all these guys on the Discord I'm in the same Discord with these guys. All they do is short. All they do is short because they know it's unlimited shares. Unlimited shares is short. They know. So it's better to be on the short side, I guess. You know. Look at that. Uh-oh. There it is. There it is. They touched the bottom there. Go any further down. That's it. This thing's done, so. This thing's done, so right here. That's it. No more third leg up, fourth leg up. This is it. This is it right here. I wonder how much I have. I think once this thing gets down to $300, that's it. See, yeah, because I'm done. I can't make any headroom with this right here. So let this thing sold off, and that's it. I'm done. I'm done trading. I'm done trading. Yeah, trading's hard, man. And I've already gave up. I could have sold this, but no. I'm playing with pennies now. $600 ain't nothing. You can't do nothing with that. There it is, and I'll walk it down right here. $500. There it is. One last push right here. Done. Sold. Sold. Done. That's it. Sell me out. Hurry up. I don't want to come back no more doing this shit. Yeah, so looks like that's it, folks. I'm done. I'm done trading. I'm gonna shut down the channel too. Well, no, I'm just gonna leave the channel on, but I'm pretty much done trading. I lost all the money. I did horrible trading, and didn't work out. But I'll leave the channel on, and I'll hope I can give you guys an update later in the future to tell you what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna come back and trade it later, but I gotta have a lot more money than just 2 grand. 2 grand. 2 grand's too scary. I'll end up losing. 2 grand is just way too scary. I mean, because you can blow your account real quick with 2 grand. So I'm going to shut it down today. Today's Friday. Unless there's a little miracle right here, a little miracle. If there's any such type of miracle right here, I will be shutting it down. So this is the last play right here. If this thing takes me out, that's it. We're done. It brought it all the way back up to 700. I was down to like $400, man. Yeah, the bulls don't. There's no more bulls. I don't see the bulls in this thing. The bears are well, they're not covering. The bears aren't. I don't think the bears are covering right now. They won't cover until this thing's down to $4. Yeah, they're not covering now. They're gonna cover when the thing gets down to $4. When they bring this all the way back down. So the market's selling off, and the stock is now being treated like a penny stock. So it went down to $6.50. I almost got sold out because my broker's ready to sell me out. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that the bulls are not strong. The bulls are not even trying. They're not even trying no more. We're not talking about the regular bulls, the retail bulls. I'm talking about the hedge funds. Those are the ones that are in control of these stocks. The hedge funds, the bull hedge fund is not trying. Is not trying to push this up. The bear hedge fund is just pushing this down for sure. Yeah, but the bull hedge fund is not. Whoever's trying to hold this up, they're not interested in no more. You can tell. I wonder if these hedge funds high five each other and say, "Okay, we're gonna go bull now. We're gonna go bullish, and then when we get up top there, we're gonna stop, and then you bears take over. So we're gonna take all the retail money all the way up, and you take all the retail money coming all the way back down." Oh, that's it right there. That was it. I thought that was it. I thought that was. I thought that was. Oh, getting close to selling me out. So let's wrap this up. I'll do a weekly recap tomorrow, and then I'll sign off tomorrow, and I'll say, hey, that's it. Didn't make it. Didn't do it. But I'll be back. I'll be back later because this right here, this is fun for me. I mean, it pisses me off at times, but this is what I like to do. I like to trade. So yeah, this thing's getting walked down. This thing's getting walked down. Yeah, the bulls are not interested at all in this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get sold out here soon. I'm gonna let the hedge fund. I mean, the hedge fund. I'm gonna let my broker sell me out. Yeah. Oh, it was fun. It was actually really fun while it lasted. It really was. It was fun while it lasted. Because I'm with the new broker now, and the new broker, I've learned about Dash Trader Pro and the hotkeys and all that stuff. So everything's saved. You know, as soon as I'm done with this here Monday, I'll send him a message saying that's it. I'm done. I'll come back later. My account's blown. So I'll do that. So I'm gonna wait for them to sell me out because there might be a slither of a miracle, but I doubt it. But I on that left side picture, it looks like that's it. It's done. But you never know. You never truly know. You're never out until the end there. So you know what I mean. But the Bears are walking us down for sure. They are. But if the Bulls don't try to rip this thing back up, that's it. You got a green arrow there. The Bears don't like that. So does this thing run up again? Have you seen it? I've seen this before many, many times where it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it's dead, 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 and then at the end of the day, just boom, it takes off again. I've seen it many times. Many times. Where you thought that the stock is done. Everybody's out. Then the next thing you know, you're like, what the hell's going on here? And then the stock just starts pumping back up again. There it is. The death candle. The death candle, death candle. There it is. See how they pushed that down at the last seconds? At the last seconds that they pushed that thing down? The last second they push that down. See, that's how they do it, you know? They push it down the last second. So there's no bulls that want to take this thing back up again? There's no bulls? There's nobody wants to make any money? They probably went short, but it's 12:43, man. You still got the rest of the day. There's no bulls? There's no bulls want to push this thing up or what? They're going to back up to $700 again on the equity. No bulls or what? Nobody wants to push this up? Another leg up? Another leg up or what? I mean, this thing can go for another leg up. We still got plenty of time. Still got plenty of time for another leg up. Still got plenty of time. They tried to bring it up right there, and they tried it again. And now, if they don't do nothing here, that's it. I'm gonna get sold out soon. Gonna get sold out. Another leg up or what? Another leg up? I mean, the Bulls, they got to get committed again. They got to commit right here. See that? They're thinking about it, or they're not thinking about it, or just the algorithms. I don't even know, because nothing's moving. That's all Bears right there. The Bears. That's all the Bears right there, brother. See that? Calm before the storm. Is that what that is? Calm before the storm. Man, it'd be nice to put this thing up to $10, man. $10 would be crazy, huh? They better do something. The Bears are gonna push this. We're gonna do something. Better do something. Bears are gonna pull us all the way down. Is this the third, fourth leg up? What is this? One, two, three, four. This will be the fifth leg up. If it can try. No, they pulled it. No, there it is. Sell me out, man. Hurry up. Sell me out. People are like, why don't you sell and take that money? Nah, it's just gonna make me want to trade tomorrow. I mean Monday. I'll have a sliver of hope for Monday. No, this thing sells me out right now. That's it. I'm done. I'm going to get ready to go back to work. I got a month left to be here, anyways. I go back to work in May 1st. So I gotta let this thing just sell me out, man. Sell me out. Done. It's not even trying. They're not even trying to push this thing back up. I'm at 650, dog. Come on, dog. Here we go. Sell out right here. The market's getting pulled down. This is a natural gas stock, they said. Natural gas. Crazy. So natural gas stock, man. Natural gas. Whoa. Right there. Look at that. In your face. Right there. Done. See that? My account. Over the limit. The system will unwind all your positions. Yeah, so it touched it. So my account's about ready to be sold out. It's about ready to sell me out. That's it. I just got the message. Just got the message. About to be sold out. So there it is. There it is. Sold. Total loss. Done. Sold out. That's it. Done. My account's cooked. I'm done trading. I'll be back another day to relive, to fight on. But right now, that's it. I'm done. I was basing it all on to blow my account. I could have sold it at $1,000 or even $800, $900, but I was just riding it out, man. So, riding it out. So, yeah. So, tomorrow I'll do my recap, and then I'll sayonara, and I'll be all done. And then, got to go back to work. Got to rebuild the coffers and come back at this again. When I go back to work, I'll take my laptop and maybe I'll do a broadcast and just trade on my laptop. But that's it. We're done. We're done. I was hoping this thing could curl back up. Maybe do another fourth leg. It probably still might be able to. It just might be able to. But I was so high up that, yeah, I was just so high up. So that's it. So that's it. We're done. So in the meantime, that's it. I just got to get ready and take care of biz. So good to see you guys. To be glad that you guys watched an annihilation of an account. I was high as 7,000 and I brought it all the way back down to 300. Yeah, stupid mistakes. Yeah, just not ready yet. I guess I still have a lot more to go to get this down. So trading's hard, like we know, and I need more practice. I need more work at it. So, and I've been doing this for a long time, but I do know this, that you do need you do need money. Got to have money in your account. $2,000 doesn't do it. These brokers that are allowing you to do it for $2,000. With $2,000, I mean, unless you're really good at trading, I mean, you see how hard it is. I mean, if you make a mistake, you're down big time on money. You make a mistake, you're down big. So yeah. So look at the account, man. This thing's going down. Will it bounce off the VWAP and go back up? Man, right now, that's why I'm saying you want to be a short, right? Short this thing all the way down. Man, this thing went down $1. If you were shorting this, you'd be up big time. Yeah, crazy. So, anywho, well, I'm done for the day, and I'll do my recap tomorrow, and that'll be it. And then I'll get back to this another time. Here's my outro. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you soon.